This is a very special unit, a direct result of customer demand. This is a 2645 BP.
This is the best value in high-end luxury diesel pusher motorhome. This is gonna be hands down hundreds of thousands of dollars cheaper.
Here with Doug Sewell from Sewell Motorcoach. You've seen him on our channel. He is now an official new Tiffin dealer.
We're really excited about that too, if you can't tell.
Yeah, you flew down from Kentucky to be in Florida.
Came to see this floor plan, but yes, for the whole thing.
Although you're dressed like you're in Kentucky.
Well, you know what? It's warm when the clouds cover the sun. It feels pretty darn good sitting in the sun. But yeah, I'm gonna have to roll my sleeves up here pretty quick.
You made the trek down because you wanted to show a unit that you're going to be carrying, or maybe you are carrying at this point.
We've already ordered them. Yeah, okay, we've made our orders. Yeah.
It's a bus with bunks.
Yes.
With 2 full baths. This is a 2645 BP.
Yes, sir.
Now you're going to know this way more than me because you're a Tiffin guy.
I don't know. I mean, I was in it earlier. I shot my own video. I'm extremely impressed with the floor plan. I'm impressed with Tiffin because, you know, I'm a Tiffin dealer.
Of course.
It's not that I have to be. I chose this, but I'm impressed with the floor plan. Some things they did back there, but when you get to the back, there's a bathtub in this thing. And
I haven't been in here, so I'm purposely not going in because I just want to kind of follow your lead and just ask some questions as they come up.
Everything on the outside is what you should come to know and expect from any Tiffin Allegro bus. 26 is a big year for Tiffin. They introduced Power Drive. They basically gave all of the information they have for their Power Glide chassis to Freightliner. They designed this Power Glide chassis, and I think it marries the best of what Power Glide was and then what Freightliner has been so good at for so many years, making a extremely reliable and powerful chassis. And I think it's a nice marriage, and the 26 is just an accumulation of just a lot of good. And this new floor plan, it's a lot to take in.
Take us on a tour.
Yeah, come on. So the exterior of this bus, like I already mentioned, it's really what you've come to know and expect. I love when they change to this is the rear door of this coach is called the 605 door. They've made it standard in the Allegro bus, whether you get the 450 or the 605. This paint scheme is awesome. This is just a paint scheme only for the 45 BP, and I think that's a huge plus. We're going into the 250th anniversary of the United States, and I think this is a really good paint scheme, and my orders are going to be coming in just a couple of months before July 4th, and I think that's a really good timing. Well, welcome into the 2026 Allegro Bus 45 BP. Like I said, there's a lot of changes for the 26 model year. Everywhere I look, something's different about the 26 versus the 25s. We'll start with the gallery window package. That is about like a $5,000 or $6,000 package. Now, some are not taking the gallery window package because it does delete your overhead cabinets. Me, I'd much rather have bigger windows, but you can discuss that with us. We can option it however you want, but I love the big windows. We have the awnings kind of covering some of the outside, but as you can see over on this side, it's just, these windows are phenomenal. So kind of a bonded style of window. And then for 26, as we mentioned already, the Power Glide XC chassis, and it does have that steering assist, the kind of the same thing that Newmar started years and years ago. Your Dutch Star has. Which is a great feature, makes driving this bus so much easier. But I guess the highlight of the show is what we're gonna find back here. One thing that's changed in this floor plan is this feels like a 45 OPP till you get to right here. And in the OPP, you have the refrigerator on this side. This slide becomes just a little bit bigger because they had to make room for some bunks, is they kept your pantry over here. Now, me personally, I've been ordering our coaches with the double pantry instead of the refrigerator, but you can obviously make that choice. And as we pan over to...
You got the signature in there, as always.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, Bob Tiffin, signed doors. It's pretty cool. I did the factory tour most recently. I've done it 3 times, pre-COVID, post-COVID, and just recently in 2025, I did the factory tour. I really felt don't feel like there was any changes. It felt like the first time I went in 2018, most recently. But the cool thing was I was there when they were doing the factory tours, and they have these set of like 8 chairs outside of Bob's office. And there was all these people holding their doors. They're going in, they did the factory tour, and they allow you to take a door off and bring it in and have Bob sign it. So I thought that was pretty cool. But the refrigerator goes to the opposite side. So on the BP floor plan, this galley is shortened just a little bit. That's just part of having 2 full bathrooms and bunks. You're going to have a little short galley, but I don't hate that. I like actually what they've done here. I really think the floor plan flows extremely well. But I mean, this is the highlight right here, right? I mean, a bunk room. One thing I love about this bunk room is it's extremely versatile. There is an optional office setup for this. We don't have any photographs. We don't have any information on it yet. That is going to be soon coming. Look for that stuff on my website, some pictures of that stuff. But one cool thing here is they have the ability to raise this bunk all the way up, making like a closet and then a bottom bunk area. So if you just have one kid, but you want to hang some stuff while you're traveling or you want to store some stuff, you have that ability to make this a really flexible space.
Good for dog crates too. A lot of people do
Wonderful.
dog shows.
Yes. Yeah, you can take this mattress out and this bunk really tucks all the way up in here at the bottom of the bunk. I did it earlier, but they took the key out because I don't think they wanted people popping the bunk up and down. But it made for a really nice space down here. You could also take this mattress out and you could do whatever you wanted down here. I like what they did here. They gave us 2 humongous drawers. And I think that I have an idea. I already ordered 2 of these and we have a customer that already special ordered 1 of these. But I have my ideas of how they should be ordered based on the use. But check this out though. This is where it gets very interesting. And I want to know what you think too, MJ. As we make our way back into the bedroom, I'll step back here. Really not a lot has changed in the bedroom, especially in this area. There is an option, and I did not option ours with this, but there is an option to remove those cabinets and have a rear window as well. I don't recommend that in this floor plan because those 4 storage areas are going to be extremely important. MJ, as you know, living pretty much full-time in a coach, storage is like the #1 thing. And in Newmar, and I'm not knocking your Newmar, but in Newmar, their front cabinets are all like really short because of their full wall slides. But now across from this, my first inclination was to order all of mine with the fireplace. But when you do the fireplace, it removes those 4 middle drawers. So I've optioned mine just like you see here. Television, wardrobe on either side, and then you have 4 extra drawers when you don't opt in the fireplace. Possibly the star of the show is what's in this back corner here. I'm gonna have to get, I want to see Izzy get back there and demonstrate that a little bit. What do you think? What's your first impressions?
Well, there's a lot of room in here, and it is a full bath. Now, obviously with the bunks, 2 full baths, you're going to lose a little bit of room in here, but that's the floor plan.
But they're able to get everything in there, though. That's the thing I love about it.
And it's a very, I mean, you got a full bathtub in here.
That's not like a baby bathtub. That's an adult.
That's a Doug-sized bathtub.
I like the finish in here. They make it more residential. It's different. And you have a skylight. Of course, they could put the LEDs here. What I do like that Tiffin, and I don't know, I think they've been doing it for a couple of years now, is that you have an egress door. You know, a lot of people that are buying these, although this is more of a family coach, but traditionally a lot of people buying these motorhomes tend to be a little bit older, and this is a much safer way to get out, an easier way to get out. Also, you can load stuff in through here. You have a nice toilet. I love that they cover it.
Why don't you sit on it?
You know they cover it because people tried to use this,
Yes,
right? Like that's why they cover these things.
Nice and spacious.
Yeah, plenty of space here. Washer, dryer. Again, in 45 feet. Now, I had asked you, Doug,
yes.
I know on the 45 OPPs, you used to be able to option them in with the 600.
Yes.
But on the Power Glide, if you wind up getting a step on here, which kind of kills the Power Glide because it's always about that flat floor.
Yes, yeah. I'm not a fan of the 605 in the Allegro Bus because you go to like an 8-inch step up when you get back here. This floor plan, even more than any other, I think would be a detriment to do the 605 in this, because you're going to use that space back there. It's not like it's a walk-in closet. You're literally going to use that, I mean, multiple times a day,
right? Every
day that you're in the coach. And I think having that step up, especially having a small entry into that bathroom and having a confined space, I think that the 605 would be a mistake in here.
So yeah, this is the first time I've stepped in this motorhome. The windows, a lot of things that jump out. The windows, the attention to detail, I know we talked about it earlier, with like the doggy area here, the waggle. This is a really nice motorhome. I like that motorhome manufacturers are listening to their customers. It's
Very
kind of like
much
a
so.
direct result
Tiffin has
of
been
that.
doing that for 50 years. I mean, I call the Tiffin Allegro Bus, it's a luxury motorhome. Let's face it. In fact, a lot of their motorhomes are luxury. This is the best value in high-end luxury diesel pusher motorhomes. So if you compare this coach now with the BP, love Newmar, absolutely love them. But if you're comparing a bunkhouse Mountain Air to this is going to be hands down hundreds of thousands of dollars cheaper than a Mountain Air. But then it's so much more coach than a Dutch Star. So you're going to be priced about the same money as a Dutch Star, but you're going to be so much more coach. And I'm not knocking Newmar. I love Newmar. Newmar, call me. I want to sell your products.
Yeah.
But the Allegro Bus, it's got its own lane, in my opinion. It has for many, many years. It's been one of the top-selling luxury motorhomes for many years because of value, because of luxury, and they listen to their customers, and their customer service is just phenomenal.
Yeah, and I feel like why a lot of people maybe shied away from the Tiffin, like they used to have the carpet on the slides, that's no longer an issue. The egress door, that's not an issue. The comfort steer, that's not an issue anymore. Like they're covering a lot of those things.
Checking boxes now.
Yeah, I mean, it was very competitive. Like this is a legit competitor and something that people should really look at. So you are, of course, a used RV dealer, but you also sell new ones. So if somebody's interested in this unit, what's the best way to contact you?
Jump on our website, sewellmotorcoach.com. You can always call my cell phone. If you're ready to land a deal and you're ready to put a deal together on one of these, I'm going to spit out my cell phone here in just a second. I need you to text me though. I need you to text me because if you're not in my contacts, I literally don't answer the phone.
Too many calls.
You're going to go straight to voicemail. And it's not, I want to take hundreds of calls a day from customers, but it's the fraud and the scam, all that stuff.
I agree. I don't answer calls.
I don't need loans of $40,000 to $70,000.
You don't want to rescue princes in Africa?
I don't need to do that. I've got enough kids, having kids and rescuing all that. So give us a call, jump on the website, schedule an appointment to come see one of these. These are going to be landing hopefully sooner than later. I was first in line, and I got to tell, Lee Tiffin's here, the sales manager for the entire nation of Tiffin is here. I was the first dealer to reach out to them when they released this floor plan. My coaches need to come first. So if you're watching this, Lee Tiffin, I want my orders out first. Of course,
I want to sell them. You want to sell them?
I want to sell them. I'm a small dealer. I think you're really going to enjoy the way we do business, the way we operate.
So best way to reach you?
SewellMotorcoach.com. Call my cell phone if you're ready to put a deal together. I want to talk to everybody. I love talking to customers. We have an extreme amount of knowledge when it comes to Tiffin motorhomes. We really understand this product. And the ones we've already sold a 45 OPP, a Byway. We sold a Phaeton, and we sold a GH1 van. We're moving inventory, guys, and I think it's important. Pay attention to the dealer you're buying from.
100%. 100%.
Listen to what these folks are telling you, and pay attention to the dealer you're buying from because it means the world. Not saying I'm not knocking any dealer out there, but even if you get anything from their channel or my channel, is that maybe you can push some of these big box dealers to do better. Expect all these things that we're talking about. Go watch my videos so you can see the process, what we do to put these coaches to get them ready for you, our PDI process. I think it's second to none.
And your service.
And our service.
Because something's going to go wrong at some point, no matter what you buy. Something is going to, and any dealer is telling you, look, this is going to be perfect, they're not being honest with you. Something's going to go wrong. But what's important is that you have a dealer that's going to address it and that has the capability to address it.
Yes.
That's
100%.
very important. So we'll put Doug's information down below. Ask any questions, whether you want new, used, you have them all. So
we have it all, We sold 75 used Tiffins in 2025. We think we're going to sell 4 or 5 brand new ones a month in 2026, along with we're not going to slow down on our used stuff. So call my cell phone, 859-613-2574, if you're ready to put a deal together on something we have in inventory or put an order together. We love doing orders. So.
We'll put Doug's information down below. We want your feedback down below. Also, if you want to see a video that Doug was talking about his service and what separates him, we're going to link it right over here. We want to thank Doug for flying down from cold Kentucky. I don't know, it took too much convincing. And we'll see you guys on the road.
Have a great day.